man broke down on the side of the road. Stop and see if maybe I can lighten his load. Opened the door and he thanked me in kind. Told me the words that would open my mind. So don't worry about gasoline, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about the TV screen, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about the bombs that fall, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about nothing at all, 'cause we're moving. There's a man in the alley just singing the blues, telling everybody that they're born to lose. One day he'll wake up and see the sun, see that every day we're breathing is a day we've won. Said, don't worry about gasoline, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about the TV screen, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about the bombs that fall, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about nothing at all, 'cause we're moving. There's times the lines get hard to see, and there's days the haze takes over me, but in the end you're gonna let them see that we're moving. Well, the world will keep turning when I'm dead and gone. I'll see you again and it won't be long. We'll meet in a place where there ain't no pain. Till that day my song remains. Still, don't worry about gasoline, don't worry about the TV screen, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about the bombs that fall, 'cause we're moving. Don't worry about nothing at all, 'cause we're moving. We're moving. We're moving. We're moving. We're moving. Thanks. The old man broke down on the side of the road. Stop and see if maybe I can lighten his load.